This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about trays, specifically these bamboo trays. And we've got several different options here. In the slatted bamboo, we have a 14.5 by 10.5 inch tray that's 1 inch in depth. In the solid natural rectangle, we have a 14 inch by 9.5 inch tray that's got a 1/2 inch depth to it. In the round natural serving board, we have a 12-inch diameter tray with a 1 inch depth. And in the rectangle natural serving board, this one is 17.5 inches long by 13.75 inches wide and 1 inch deep. And finally, in the square serving trays, we have the small in the natural bamboo color that's 10 by 10 with a 2.75 inch depth. And then we have the large black tray, right? So it's a black finish on that bamboo, and it's 11.75 inches square with a 3 inch depth. The square trays are available in those two sizes, and you have the option on those of either the natural bamboo color or the black. The rest of the trays are available in their natural bamboo color. These bamboo trays, as you can see, have a variety of different styles and features. We've got some great little ones like the slatted one. You can see those different slats have different colors to them, and it gives it a nice kind of almost like geometric striped feel, right? So it's just a really beautiful tray with this little inset area with those slats on them. It has a nice raised rim to it to really help keep things contained. So it makes a nice tray for service, especially a little past service or a nice little display of something like sushi. We have the solid tray that has this nice little lip on it that's really going to help keep your foods in place, but also contain any potential liquids or anything else that might be on there with it. And the serving boards all have this nice little inset rim on them that's also going to help catch any liquids or anything else draining off of your foods. And these are fantastic for things like little charcuterie boards or fruit and cheese displays. And then finally, you have these great square serving trays that really have those nice high sides on them. So that's going to be great for building up really styled high piles of foods. Now, whether that's a charcuterie board or a nice, beautiful, bountiful fruit display, that's up to you. But you have some nice different features and styles and even some different color options in these. So you can really pick the one that's going to suit and work with your needs. The bamboo these are made from is not only a sustainable resource, but it's also stylish and adds that nice natural warmth and those nice natural tones to your displays. And they're nice neutral color that's going to go with just about anything. So you can really pick the perfect style to really suit your setup and really work with your event. So these are perfect for using for pastry displays of things like breads and muffins, for doing a fruit and cheese setup, or even a charcuterie board. You can put together a nice little setup for coffee and tea service, and they're just going to be really utilitarian, wonderful pieces to use as catering displays. So these are great for a variety of culinary settings, from everything from sweets to sushi. And they're easy to care for as well. You can wipe them down or wash them between uses and use them time and time again, making these fantastic pieces for bakeries and patisseries, for countertop displays, for things like the service of coffee and hot beverages, or for restaurants and caterers for using on buffets and making up nice, beautiful, bountiful food displays, or just for doing some fun things like some past service. Or even you can use them if you're just doing some wonderful entertaining at home and you really want to spice things up and impress your guests.